There's dents in this fender. We're going to fix this using dentless repair. To make sure that we don't scratch up the paint, we'll use a polished hammer. For this dent here, I'll put my hand in the back and back up the metal and tap it. I can also use a socket to back everything up. To help even everything out, you can take the socket and just roll it back and forth, and that helps work out the dent. I'll start working this dent out with a smaller socket. We'll just put it right behind it and just work it back and forth. Just kind of, you can see that pushes it right out. To even things out, I'll use a flatter piece of steel back here. You can just rub that steel back and forth, and you can see it's starting to pull that out, pull that crease out. You can see this crease here is just about gone. We've got a little ding down here that we'll work on next. I'll use this smaller socket and just run it back and forth. With a flat file, I'll bring it in here and just push up against the dent. Just kind of work it out. You can see that the crease is almost completely gone here. The two dings are almost gone. This one we've got to work on a little more. Looks like a car again.